We talked about buying bracelets, right? Give me one. Mine is easy to buy. Yours seems harder to buy. How about I custom make one for us? Okay, make one. One for exactly. Okay, okay. Come down. Come pick a style. Okay, which one? Which do you just? I like this. Good. Let me measure your hand. Okay, almost done. So pretty. Put your hand up. Look at us. Identical, right? Are they the same? Right? Mommy will put on a necklace. You're so happy. With the necklace. Look. Oh my, so stylish. Let's go show it off. Happy. Oh, mirror, are you happy? Tell mom. Ha 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 ha. Puppy, happy today. Are you happy? Oh, what's that mean? Happy, right? So one for each of us, okay? Okay, oh, agreed. Say if you agree. Agree. You say. Let me keep your vault card. Okay, I'm not. Mom buys what you eat. Aha. No. Oh, no touching me. No more acting cute. Won't give it. You're so stingy, puppy. So stingy. Mom bought so much, you're so stingy. Can't I keep it? Ah. Oh, then take it. Go, take it. I'm going to eat. See, any puppy want food. Any puppy want tasty meat. What do you want? Go. After mealtime, no more food. Mention food, you're so active. You'll find a way. Right? Eat. Eat. Add water. Some veggie, sweet mushrooms. Sprouts. For the heart. For the leg. Ready. Thank mom. Eat. Pork, beef tendon or lamb. Which one? This one. Okay, eat. Done eating. Wipe your mouth. Wipe mouth, then sleep. Okay, go sleep.